Hello. Okay, so I would like you to retrieve the FSBOs and the Make Me moves from Zillow. So the way that you start is you go to Zillow.com, you click Buy, and the area that we want to focus on is get out of the way. St. Charles County, not St. Charles, Missouri, St. Charles County. That's a larger area. And then it will do the search. Okay, and then we need to drill down to just the FSBOs. So in here, we're going to uncheck this, and so we want for sale by owners right here. And we also want the Make Me moves. So these two fields, I'd like you to go through one by one and collect the information and put it onto a spreadsheet. So here's the first one, and then I have a spreadsheet, which I hope this Loom is now recording. So I have this spreadsheet, so I want to collect the information from the Zillow listing, which is going to be the address, and then for now, we'll just call them FSBO Red Cedar Park for the name. Or actually, let's just shorten it up because we're going to get their name here shortly. We don't know their email, but their phone number, we get that over here by scrolling down. Now notice that there's going to be a bunch of agent advertisements down here. Scroll down to close to the bottom. There's two places where the phone number for the property owner appears. It's right here below these three agents. And if you had scrolled all the way to the bottom, I think it's somewhere else, listing provided by owner. So it's the same phone number. And we just want to type that in, 7992762. They are a type, they are a seller. Source, this is a Zillow FSBO. And if it was a Make Me move, we would call it a Zillow Make Me move. Okay. Assigned agent, Vargas, not applicable. If there's two phone numbers, I put them both in there. And then I'd like their address. Important notes. I'd like today's date, 4/2/19, and then the under important notes right here, I would like you to paste the link to this property. So the URL up there on the search bar, if you could just paste that in right there, that would be great. Miscellaneous note, let's have the price. And that's all the information I need from each one. So the address, the price, and a link. And then go on to the next one. So this one is, we're going to call this one FSBO Brook. Then the phone number is 314-566-6362. This one's a seller. And this is a I would like to find a make me move so we can see what that looks like. Okay, so right here it says for sale by owner. So this is a Zillow FSBO. It's me, of course. And then we want this address. Feel free to abbreviate St. Charles and 63303, and then the URL, and then the price, $639, and that's it. So the next one is Bunker Drive. I'm going to scroll down until I find a make me move. Okay, so here's a make me move. This one is, let's see here. Okay, so home valuation. Yeah, I'd move if somebody gave me $75,000 too much for my house. Let's see what this get more info does. Okay, so this one, here's the phone number right here. I don't know if it will upload with that format. Feel free to test that. This one's a seller, and this is a Zillow make me move for Jessica Vargas. The street. And Lake St. Louis, Mo 6367. And here's the URL. And the price is $425. And we're going to call this one Make Me. Just make that one word. And then we'll call this Crimson. Okie dokie. So that's a make me move. And basically, I'd like all of these mined. And then every day, there's probably just going to be like one. So if you could come on here each day and retrieve these, that would be freaking awesome. All right, well, I'm going to add this particular spreadsheet to our Trello, and then you can continue on. This sheet is the template for the bulk upload to Real Geeks. So we just want to upload these to Real Geeks when you are finished. And then each day, when it's time to do this going forward, when there's just like one a day, you just go into Real Geeks, you click new lead to input one, and then, do the same format, FSBO, and then, Brooke, for example, type in the phone number, whatever it is, and then type, it's going to be a seller source, it's going to be a Zillow FSBO, and I haven't added the Zillow Make Me Move, but I'll do that in just a sec. Let's do that. So Zillow Make Me Move, this will be in there from now on. Okay, so, and then the time frame's not really applicable, lender's not applicable, and address goes here, important notes, that URL goes there. Awesome. And then you just click whatever it is that you click to save it, which I can't actually see right now because the screen recording thing, oh, there it is right there. And then you just click save. I'm not going to click save though because this one's not right. But okay, that's it. And I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you.